Procrastinating again? Try 3 tiny mind hacks with me now. Simple moves that make starting easy. Stay to the end for a quick practice. I'm Mini3. I explain each hack fast, then show how to use it right now. Ready? Hack 1. Start for 2 minutes. Tell yourself, I'll work on this for 2 minutes. Set a timer and begin. 2 minutes removes the big task worry and usually turns into more work. Start the 2 minutes now. Hack 2. Make a tiny if-then plan. Say, if I sit down, then I will write 1 sentence. Or, if my phone pings, then I'll ignore it for 10 minutes. Short, exact plans stop your brain from arguing. Say your plan aloud and do it. Hack 3. Pair the start with a tiny reward. Promise yourself a 5-minute coffee break, a song, or 1 sweet bite after you do the first small step. The small reward makes the first step feel worth it. Pick your reward now. Quick practice. Do the 2-minute start now. Say your if-then plan out loud. Decide 1 tiny reward. Go. 2 minutes starts now. Type "started" in the comments if you did it. Subscribe to Mini3 for a new short tip every day. Crush 1 task, repeat. See you tomorrow.